When your electric furnace stops working properly, you need fast, reliable service from experienced HVAC professionals. At Home HVAC Services, we provide expert electric furnace repair in West Chester, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners restore comfort and warmth to their homes during the coldest months of the year. Our certified technicians are trained to diagnose and repair all types of electric furnace issues, including faulty heating elements, malfunctioning thermostats, electrical problems, blower motor failures, airflow restrictions, and system performance concerns. If you have any questions, contact our electric furnace repair team. Are you looking for an electric furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. What causes an electric furnace to stop working? Electric furnaces can stop working due to faulty heating elements, thermostat problems, electrical issues, tripped breakers, blower motor failures, dirty filters, or worn-out components. A professional HVAC technician can diagnose the exact cause and recommend the appropriate repair. How often should my electric furnace be serviced? It's recommended to schedule professional furnace maintenance at least once a year, preferably before the heating season begins. Regular maintenance helps improve efficiency, reduce the risk of breakdowns, and extend the lifespan of your system. What is your service area for the West Chester, Pennsylvania service office? Our electric furnace repair have served West Chester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your West Chester, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 831 West Chester Pike, West Chester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.